This video is for educational purposes only and should not be used as a substitute for professional medical training, diagnosis, or patient care.
Would you know what to do if someone suddenly collapsed? Your actions could save a life.
First, make sure the area is safe before approaching the person.
If available, put on disposable gloves or other personal protective equipment.
Check if the person responds. Shout loudly and gently tap both shoulders. Sir, can you hear me?
Look for normal breathing and severe bleeding at the same time. If there is no response and only gasping or no breathing, act immediately.
Call your local emergency medical service and ask someone to bring an AED.
Lay the person flat on their back on a firm, hard surface. Kneel beside the chest and prepare for high-quality chest compressions.
Place the heel of one hand in the center of the chest and the other hand on top. Keep your shoulders directly over your hands with your elbows locked. Press the chest at least 2 inches deep with every compression. Allow the chest to fully rise after every compression.
Maintain a steady rhythm of 100 to 120 compressions each minute.
Count 30 compressions before giving rescue breaths.
Open the airway using the head tilt, chin lift technique.
Pinch the nose closed and seal your mouth over the patient's mouth.
Give one breath over 1 second and watch the chest rise.
Give a 1 second breath after the chest falls normally.
If the chest does not rise, reposition the head and try again.
If the chest still doesn't rise, suspect an airway blockage.
Resume chest compressions immediately to maintain blood circulation. Continue cycles of 30 compressions, followed by 2 rescue breaths.
Do not stop CPR unless absolutely necessary.
Use an AED as soon as one becomes available.
Turn on the AED and carefully follow its voice instructions. Unit OK. Stay calm. Apply pads to patient's bare chest. Attach the AED pads exactly as shown on the diagrams.
Clear!
Ensure no one touches the patient during rhythm analysis.
If the AED advises a shock, stand clear and deliver it safely. Immediately restart chest compressions after the shock. Keep interruptions in chest compressions under 10 seconds whenever possible. If another trained rescuer is available, 28, 29, 30, switch every 2 minutes. Continue CPR until the person breathes normally or trained professionals arrive. If the person begins breathing normally, monitor them until help arrives. You're doing great, just keep breathing. If breathing returns but the person remains unconscious, place them in the recovery position if there is no suspected spinal injury.
Stay calm and give emergency responders clear information about what happened.
Male, 40, found unresponsive, bystander CPR. Shocked once, current rhythm.
High-quality CPR and early defibrillation greatly improve survival from cardiac arrest. Remember, check safety, call for help, start CPR, and use an AED as soon as possible.
If this video helped you, subscribe to Zalmi for trusted medical education and patient awareness.